Magandang gabi or good evening. It's Halloween, so happy Halloween. And since it's Halloween, I'm thinking of doing Tagalog words that's related to Halloween or related to All Souls Day or All Saints Day. Halloween, we don't really celebrate Halloween back there in the Philippines like we do here in the US. Like you put your costumes and then especially the kids, and then you go to houses and go trick or treating. And maybe that changed already because this past few years I've been seeing photos of my relatives, my cousins, and my high school mates on Facebook that looks like they've been celebrating Halloween because they're on costumes. And I would chat with my best friend and she would say, oh, we have a Halloween party and we're gonna do this and that. So maybe that changed, or maybe they've been doing it years ago and I'm just not aware of it. We live in the province, and I remember when I was a kid and we lived in the farm, Undas or Halloween or All Souls Day is one of the days that I don't like because it's just scary. As a kid, I'm a scaredy cat, and we don't have TV or electricity back then. We live in a farm, and what we have a radio and a kerosene lamp, and I would hear scary stories like about Philippine mythical creatures and seeing ghosts and things like that, and seeing a white lady. So back then I just don't like it. But on November 1st or before November 1st, 31st, people from the cities would travel back to their provinces or hometown for Undas or All Saints Day. And they would go to the cemetery or Sementeryo. Sementeryo. They would go to the cemetery or Sementeryo to visit their loved ones that had already crossed over, and they would bring flowers or Bulaklak, candles, Kandila, and of course they would pray, and they would just spend the day there, bring food or Pagkain. And let's learn more Tagalog words. Grave is Libingan. Li-bi-ngan. Libingan. Death is Kamatayan. Ka-ma-ta-yan. Kamatayan. Dead, patay. Pa-tay. Patay. Ghost, multo. 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 Soul is kaluluwa. 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 Spirit, Espiritu. 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 I think that's all for tonight, so let's do a review. Undas, Undas, All Saints Day, and cemetery, Sementeryo, Sementeryo, Kandila, candle, food, pagkain, pagkain, flowers, flower, bulaklak, bulaklak, and what else? Oh, ghost, multo, multo, espiritu, spirit, espiritu, and soul, kaluluwa, and grave, grave, I'm losing my mind. Libingan, Libingan, grave, Libingan. So, that's it. Good night. Happy Friday.